What's up, guys? It's Brandon Flash. Just starting vlog 2 here. Just about to head out. We're going to start out with going to the Wickenburg Supercharger in Arizona. That is northwest of the Phoenix Metro. Just unplugging here. Looks like we'll arrive there with 47%. It's about 90 miles, hour and a half. And then we'll probably head up to Prescott after that. Maybe Sedona, we'll see. But just going out for a drive, headed up, or going towards Prescott is one of my favorite drives. It's a beautiful mountain pass. All right, made it here to the Wickenburg Supercharger. We're charging up 52 kilowatts at 51%. So we actually arrived with more charge than the car expected us to. Next, we're gonna head up through Prescott and then all the way to the Sedona Supercharger. I don't know if I'm gonna actually spend much time in Sedona, but at least pass through. And then on the way back, we'll probably have to stop at Cortez Lakes and maybe New River or push it to the North Phoenix Supercharger. Either way, I will need to charge once I get back in town just to have some for driving later today. All right, headed out from the Wickenburg, Arizona Supercharger. Ran into some pretty cool people there. I had my Mavic Mini out flying, and then the guy got out of his car and also had a Mavic Mini, and we were both flying them, having a fun time, and he was headed to Kingman to head to Vegas. That's my radar detector. And yeah, we had some fun flying our drones, and now I'm charged up to 91%. Headed up through Prescott to Sedona. So that should be a fun drive through Jerome and lots of twisties. All right, so an update here. I did just shoot some pretty awesome drone video. You guys will see that either before or after this. I actually positioned the drone to a later point on the road and then hopped back in my car and drove and then got my car driving by. So I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. Hopefully it did turn out well, but decided I'm going to skip Sedona, do that another day just for time. I'd like to be home before dark. Just rather have dinner back in the Phoenix area, and I'll save Sedona for another day when I can kind of leave even earlier than I did today. I left only like 10-ish a.m. today, so not quite enough time to do this whole drive, but I'll go through Cordes Lakes, pass through Prescott, and yeah, head on back. All right, change of plan. So we're actually going through New River Supercharger rather than through the Cordes Lakes Supercharger, even though we will be passing through Cordes Lakes town. But we don't actually need a charge there because I'm at 43% and it's projecting we'll arrive to New River with 18%. So that will be more than enough. I'll probably top off in the Phoenix metro area at the Camelback Urban Supercharger. And then, yeah, I'll be done for the day. All right, update here. So we are at 11% charge. Ended up skipping the New River Supercharger there. We're going south here. I was planning on going to the Camelback Supercharger right there. That's an urban supercharger. But it was starting to show negative percentage for arrival there. So adding a little pit stop here in North Phoenix at the Agua Fria Freeway Supercharger. And that'll actually be faster anyway, because that one's a full 150 kilowatt supercharger rather than the 72 kilowatt hour of the, or 72 kilowatt, not kilowatt hour, of the urban supercharger at Camelback. All right, decided to stop for some animal fries at In-N-Out here quick before going to the North Phoenix Supercharger. Just want to show this line here. Keep in mind this is during the COVID-19 pandemic. There's 2 cars behind me. All these cars here, more cars are pulling up. It's kind of just crazy because In-N-Out is drive-through only right now. All right, we're plugged in at North Phoenix Agua Fria Freeway Supercharger. I've got my In-N-Out here. Gonna eat this, maybe run into Target quick for some stuff for dinner, and then be on my way. All right, just finished charging here at the North Phoenix Supercharger. Did my Target run, and now I'm just gonna unplug here. And we'll get back on the road. Just about to head home here, and that'll be all. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, please press on the like button. It really helps a lot.